Yes dear, in this video we shall discuss exercise 10.5, and in this exercise so many interesting questions. Like first question, in this question the figure is given to us and the angle AOB is 60 degree and angle BOC is 30 degree, and asking us what will be the value of angle ADC, means what will be the value of this angle. Okay, so first of all we will find the angle AOC, means this whole angle. So angle AOC equal to angle AOB plus angle BOC, that is 60 plus 30 means 90 degree. Angle AOC is 90 degree, means this whole angle is 90 degree. But we know the statement angle subtended by an arc, AC is an arc, angle subtended by an arc at the center, means at the center angle is AOC. Angle subtended by the arc at the center is double that of angle subtended by the same arc at the remaining part of the circle. Means AC is an arc and this portion is the remaining part of the circle, and point D is situated is on this remaining part of the circle. So this angle, double of this angle will equal to this angle. Clear? But angle AOC is double that of angle ADC, means this angle equal to double of this angle. So 90 equal to twice of angle ADC, and angle ADC will equal to 90 upon 2, that is 45 degree. Is it clear? Very interesting. So before doing these questions, I suggest you have to learn all the statements coming in this lesson. Like the statement is angle subtended by an arc at the center is double that of angle subtended by the same arc at the remaining part of the circle. Is it clear? So do it. Now see the question number 2. Question number 2 is saying that a chord of a circle equal to its radius of the circle, then find the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc and also at a point on the major arc. Clear? Yes. This AB is a chord, that is AB, and the length of this chord equal to the length of the radius. Okay, and OB. So one point C on the minor arc. This chord AB divide the circle into two part. One is above the chord AB and one below the AB. So the minor means the smaller portion is below AB. So the minor segment is this. So minor arc means below AB, and point C is on this. Point C is this, and point D is on the anywhere. Suppose D is this. Clear? We have to find angle ACB, means we have to find angle ACB. This angle we have to find. Clear? And this angle also find. इसको after finding the angle ACB, and after that we will find ADB. Okay. So solution. In triangle OAB, clear? Looking OAB, अब देखोगे जो साइड AB इक्वल टू OA एंड इक्वल टू OB. देखिए this and this, all three sides are equal of this triangle. So all three sides of a triangle equal, then it will be an equilateral triangle, and we know that each angle of the equilateral triangle is 60 degree. So angle AOB will equal to 60 degree. Clear? And reflex of angle AOB, reflex means this angle, will be 360 minus 60, that is 300 degree. Clear? देखिए दिस आर्क larger a major arc subtend the angle at the center is reflex of AOB, and this angle will equal to double that of angle, but reflex of angle AOB will equal to double that of angle ACB. Clear? And reflex of AOB is 300 equal to twice of angle ACB. So angle ACB will equal to 300 upon 2, that is angle ACB will equal to 150 degree. Is it clear? Similarly इसको मैं डिफरेंट पेन से कलर से इसको ज्वाइन करता हूँ. नाउ वी विल फाइंड द एंगल ADB, दिस एंगल. अब देखो एंगल AOB इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री, बट एंगल AOB, एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय दिस आर्क एट द सेंटर, दिस वन is equal to the double that of this angle. Clear? Angle subtended by an arc at the center is double that of angle subtended by the same arc at the remaining part of circle. The point D is on the remaining part of circle for this. Okay, so twice of angle ADB. So angle ADB will equal to AOB is 60 degree or upon 2 30. So angle ADB is 30 degree. Is it clear? So do it. So before doing this, you have to learn all the statement coming in this lesson. Question number 3. In the figure, angle PQR is 100 degree and point PQR are on the सर्कल CO, R. देन फाइंड द एंगल OPR. अभी OPR एंगल मैंने अभी कंस्ट्रक्ट नहीं किया. सो सॉल्यूशन, यस, एंगल PQR रिफ्लेक्स ऑफ एंगल POR means this angle will equal to the double of this angle, equal to twice of angle PQR, but angle PQR is of 100 degree. So we can say that reflex of angle POR equal to 2 into 100, that is 200. Clear? So angle POR means this angle is 200, so this angle will be 360 minus 200, that is 160 degree. यानी this angle is 160 degree. Clear? In triangle देखिए OPR OP equal to OR. Why? Because radii of a सर्कल. इस सर्कल कितनी भी रेडियस ड्रॉ कर लें, ऑल द रेडियस विल बी सेम, बट इन ट्रायंगल OPR these two sides are equal, so angle opposite to this and opposite to this implies that angle OPR will equal to angle ORP equal to X. Say, is it clear? So by angle sum property, what is the angle sum property? कि sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle OPR plus angle ORP and plus angle POR equal to how much? 180 degree. Angle POR is 160 degree. So we have to write here 160, and OPR is X and ORP also X. So this become 2X equal to 180 minus transpose of 160 become 20. So 2x equal to 20 degree. So x equal to 20 upon 2, that is 10 degree. Means angle OPR equal to x or equal to how much? 10 degree. Is it clear? So do it. Now question number 4. Tick. And saying that in the figure, this angle ABC is 69 and angle ACB is 31 degree. Then find the angle BDC. What will be the value of angle BDC? Okay. So first of all, we will find angle this. In this triangle, two angles are given, so we can find third angle by using angle sum property. So in triangle ABC, okay, so angle A means angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB equal to 180 degree. Clear? So BAC we don't know, so and angle ABC is 69 plus 31 degree equal to 180. So angle BAC equal to 180 minus sum of these two will be 100 degree. Okay, so it will be 80 degree. Means angle BAC is of 80 degree. Clear? Now joining B to D. Clear? The similar thing is this angle BAC is subtended by the chord BC, and by same chord and in the same segment angle BDC is subtended. But we have learned that angle in the same segments are equal, means by the same chord and the same segments all the angles will be equal. So here we can say that, but angle BDC will equal to angle BAC. How? Angle in a same segment. Okay, so angle BDC will equal to 80 degree. Means this angle and this angle both will be same. Means angle BDC is 80 degree. Okay, do it. Now we are going to question number 5th, saying that ki A, B, C and D, means A, B, C and D all are on the circle. AC and BD intersecting at point E such that ki angle BEC, means this angle is of 130 degree, and angle ECD, this angle is of 20 degree. Then find the angle BAC, means we have to find this angle. Okay, so we know that ki angle in a same segment are equal. Here this angle will equal to this angle. So we will see is or can this angle can we find? Yes. So in triangle, in which triangle? ECD. इन ट्रायंगल ECD आप देखोगे BEC एंगल BEC इज एन एक्सटीरियर एंगल डियर, एक्सटीरियर एंगल। देखो भाई इस ट्रायंगल में देखो साइड D को प्रोड्यूस किया B तक, तो दिस एंगल विल बी एक्सटीरियर एंगल, and we know that ki exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angle, means that is exterior angle property. So by exterior angle property, क्लियर। तो एक्स ट्रायंगल प्रॉपर्टी मीन्स कि एंगल बी ई सी विल इक्वल टू एंगल बी डी सी एंड प्लस एंगल ई सी डी। ओके, बी ई सी इज 130 degree and angle BDC we don't know, but angle ECD is of 20 degree, so angle BDC will equal to 130 minus 20 degree, that is 110 degree BDC. Is it clear? So but angle BAC equal to angle BDC. Why? Angle in a same segment are equal. ठीक है, तो BDC कितना डियर 110, so or then angle BAC will equal to BDC कितना 110, तो BDC also 110 degree, means BAC also 110 degree. Is it clear? So do it, means this angle 110. Okay, question number 6. In question number 6 saying that ki ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So here ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral and in which angle BAC is 30 degree given and angle DBC is of 70 degree. Clear? And asking us what will be the angle BCD. BCD means this angle. What will be the value of this angle? Clear? So solution देखिए, एंगल कोड BC ने एंगल सबटेंड किया पॉइंट A पर 30 डिग्री और कोड BC ने एंगल सबटेंड किया बेटा ये वाला. So here we can say that angle BDC will equal to angle BAC. This angle will equal to this angle. Clear? Why? Because angle in a same segment are equal. Clear? But angle BAC is 30 degree. So angle BDC equal to how much? 30 degree. Clear? In triangle BCD by angle sum property. Why? Take it here. This is 70 degree and this is 30 degree. 30 degree. Okay. So we have to find angle BCD. If we apply the angle sum property in this triangle BCD, we will find angle BCD. Okay. So angle DBC plus angle BCD and plus angle BDC equal to 180 degree. Clear? DBC meant 70 degree and BCD will find and plus angle BDC is of 30 degree equal to 180 degree. So angle BCD will equal to 180 minus 70 is this and 30 is this, become 100 degree. So angle BCD is 80 degree. Clear? And now देखिए BCD we have 80 degree, but in another situation कि AB equal to BC. If AB equal to BC, then angle ECD what will be? ECD means ये एंगल हमें बताना है कब, जब this side और this side will be equal. तो in triangle ABC भाई AB equal to किसके, BC के. देखो ये साइड दोनों साइड इक्वल हो गई, तो एंगल अपोजिट टू बोथ इक्वल साइड्स आर आल्सो इक्वल. सो एंगल BCA इक्वल टू एंगल BAC और इक्वल टू हाउ मच 30 डिग्री. मीन्स दिस एंगल कितना आ गया बेटा, ये एंगल भी 30 डिग्री का आ गया. और फाइंड क्या करना है, ये करना है. सो एंगल ECD, सो एंगल ECD विल इक्वल टू BCD माइनस एंगल BCD. देखो इस पूरे एंगल से अगर इसको माइनस कर दें, इसको BCA को माइनस BCA, तो वी गेट ECD. ये एंगल हमें मिल जाएगा. और BCD हाउ मच, 80 डिग्री, माइनस ये कितना बेटा 30 डिग्री. सो दिस इज 30 डिग्री इक्वल टू 50 डिग्री. तो मीन्स एंगल ECD विल इक्वल टू 50 डिग्री. इज इट क्लियर? सो डू इट.